Jennifer Joanna Aniston, born February 11, 1969, is an American actress. Her accolades include a Primetime Emmy Award, a Golden Globe Award, and a Screen Actors Guild Awards. Aniston has consistently ranked among the world's highest-paid actresses as of 2023. The daughter of actors John Aniston and Nancy Dow, she began working as an actress at an early age with an uncredited role in the 1988 film Mac and Me. Her first major film role came in the 1993 horror comedy Leprechaun. She rose to international fame for her role as Rachel Green on the television sitcom Friends from 1994 to 2004, for which she received the Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Comedy Series. Aniston has since starred in several successful comedy films such as Office Space 1999, Bruce Almighty 2003, The Breakup 2006, Marley and Me 2008, Just Go With It 2011, Horrible Bosses 2011, We're the Millers 2013, Dumplin' 2018, and Murder Mystery 2019. Aniston also starred in the acclaimed independent films The Good Girl 2002, Friends with Money 2006, and Cake 2014. In 2019, she returned to television, producing and starring in the Apple TV Plus drama series The Morning Show, for which she received a Screen Actors Guild Award. Aniston has been included in many magazines' lists of the world's most beautiful women. Her net worth is estimated as $300 million United States dollars, and her box office gross is over $1.6 billion worldwide. She is the recipient of a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame and is the co-founder of the production company Echo Films, established in 2008. Aniston was born on February 11, 1969, in the Sherman Oaks neighborhood of Los Angeles to Greek-born actor John Aniston and actress Nancy Dow. One of her maternal great-grandfathers, Louis Greco, was from Italy. Her mother's other ancestry includes English, Irish, Scottish, and a small amount of Greek. Her father's ancestry is from the Greek island of Crete. Aniston has two half-brothers, John Melick, her older maternal half-brother, and Alex Aniston, her younger paternal half-brother. Her godfather was actor Telly Savalas, one of her father's best friends. Her family moved to New York City when she was a child. Despite her father's television career, she was discouraged from watching television, though she found ways around the prohibition. When she was 6, she began attending a Waldorf school. Her parents divorced when she was 9. Having discovered acting at age 11 at the Waldorf School, Aniston enrolled in Manhattan's Fiorello H. LaGuardia High School of Music and Art and Performing Arts. where she joined the school's drama society and where Anthony Abison was her drama teacher. She performed in The Sign, in Sidney Brustein's Window by Lauren Hansberry, and Three Sisters by Anton Chekhov. Personal life. In 2014, Aniston became a practitioner of Buddhism. She practices Hatha Yoga and Budokan Karate. In 2014, she spoke of her transcendental meditation practice. The following year, she said dyslexia had affected her education and self-esteem, and that, after being diagnosed in her 20s, her outlook toward life changed. I thought I wasn't smart. I just couldn't retain anything. Now I had this great discovery. I felt like all of my childhood traumatized tragedies, dramas were explained. Aniston donated to Barack Obama's 2008 presidential campaign and took part in a fundraiser for Hillary Clinton during her 2016 presidential campaign. She endorsed Joe Biden in the 2020 presidential election. Aniston does not have any children. In November 2022, she appeared on the cover of Allure for their final print issue. In the accompanying interview, Aniston said she had undergone in vitro fertilization, IVF, to try to have children when she was in her 30s and 40s, but the attempts did not result in any pregnancies. She said, all the years and years and years of speculation. It was really hard. I was going through IVF, drinking Chinese teas, you name it. I was throwing everything at it. In July 2024, after comments about childless cat ladies that Republican vice presidential nominee J.D. Vance made in 2021 went viral, Aniston stated on social media that all I can say is, Mr. Vance, I pray that your daughter is fortunate enough to bear children of her own one day, opening parenthesis, ... I hope she will not need to turn to IVF as a second option. Because you're trying to take that away from her, too. Relationships. Aniston met Brad Pitt in 1998, and their relationship was highly publicized. After 2 years of dating, they married on July 29, 2000 in a lavish Malibu, California wedding. For a few years, their marriage was considered a rare Hollywood success. On January 7, 2005, they announced their separation and finalized their divorce on October 2nd. During their divorce proceedings, news media speculated that Pitt had been unfaithful to Aniston with his Mr. and Mrs. Smith co-star Angelina Jolie, with whom he began a relationship soon after the split. In the months following, the public's reaction towards the divorce played out as Team Aniston and Team Jolie t-shirts appeared throughout the country. In 2015, Aniston said, "Nobody did anything wrong. It was just like, sometimes things happen." Aniston said the divorce prompted her to reach out to her mother, Nancy, from whom she had been estranged for nearly a decade. Nancy had talked about her daughter on a television show and written from mother and daughter to friends, a memoir, 1999. In 2006, Aniston said she had been devastated by the death of her longtime therapist, whom she credited for helping make her separation from Pitt easier. She said she did not regret her relationship with Pitt, describing it as very intense and a beautiful, complicated relationship. Aniston began a relationship with actor, director, and screenwriter Justin Theroux in May 2011. The following January, they purchased a home in the Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles for roughly $22 million. They became engaged on August 10, 2012, and had wedding ceremony on August 5, 2015, at their estate. They separated at the end of 2017. In 2023, she said Adam Sandler's family sent her flowers every year on Mother's Day. Aniston has been in a relationship with wellness coach Jim Curtis since 2025. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.